In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView effectively to enhance your trading experience. TradingView is a powerful tool for traders, providing advanced charting opportunities to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. Let's dive into the process of setting up your chart and configuring alerts to ensure you're always ahead of the game. First, open your TradingView account and navigate to your chart. This chart is the foundation on which you'll base your trading decisions, so having it set up correctly is crucial. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially the toolbar on the left side of the screen, as we'll be using it in the next steps. Next, you're going to want to add a horizontal ray to your chart. This is a key step in identifying support and resistance levels, which are crucial in technical analysis. To add a horizontal ray, look to your toolbar and find the icon that resembles a line. Click on it and then select Horizontal Ray from the drop-down menu. Now place the ray on the chart at the position that reflects your analysis, perhaps at a recent high or low point in the market. This visual guide will help you keep track of important price levels. With your horizontal ray in place, the next step is to set up an alert. This feature can be incredibly helpful as it allows you to receive notifications when specific conditions are met within your chart, keeping you informed without needing to constantly monitor the markets. To set up an alert, right-click on your horizontal ray and select Add Alert. A prompt will appear with various alert configurations. Configuring these settings is vital to ensure you're alerted in a way that suits your trading strategy. You will come across several options like Only Once, which means that an alert will activate the first time the price reaches the specified level. If you choose Once per bar, it means the alert will go off every time the price crosses the level with each new bar or candle. Bar close triggers the alert when a bar closes above or below your ray. Finally, there's Once per minute, which sends alerts frequently as price crosses the ray. It's important to test these settings to find what best meets your needs. Additionally, you can set the alert to be open-ended or specify an end time. Remember, the time frame you set your alert for matters. If you've configured it on an hourly chart, it will apply to that hourly context. This customizability allows you to tailor alerts that fit within your broader trading strategy. By mastering these features on TradingView, you can enhance your ability to monitor markets effectively and make well-informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.